Before we go deep into the woods, I'd like to welcome you to this meditation experience, a journey into the depths of your own strength and authenticity. Today we shall explore the realm of cultivating self-affection and tapping into your inner wellspring of resilience, focus, and lucidity, enabling you to unfurl your optimal self day in and day out. Settle yourself. Settle yourself into a posture that feels nurturing. Whether you rest in the cradle of a chair, adopt the cross-leg stance, or recline gently, the choice is yours. If you wish, allow the curtains of your eyelids to flutter shut softly. Enter the woods. Inhale deeply through your nostrils, embracing the life force, holding it as if to cherish a fleeting moment. And then exhale deliberately through the passage of both nose and mouth, watching tension and unease ebb away. Feel free to repeat this ritual, integrating each breath as you surrender to a harmonious rhythm, a rhythm uniquely yours. As your focus bridges the divide between your inner world and the space you inhabit, acknowledge the expansive universe within each breath, tethering you to the present instant. Gradually, you become attuned, your consciousness deepening and circling the ever-fleeting now. Herald the omnipotent force within you that allows you to embody the present moment, liberating you from the shackles of lingering stress, of lingering worry. With each exhale, envision these burdens dissolving, a soothing cascade of release. Imagine the tendrils of your relaxation weaving through your muscles, their gentle hold unwinding, the stream of your thoughts tranquilizing into a placid pool. As comfort seeps in and you revel in the now, a vivid notion may beckon, an effluent aura akin to molten gold, enfolding you in love and fortitude. Breathe life into this concept, envisioning its incandescence amplify with each inhalation, a radiant testament to your potency. heartbeat suspended, to immerse yourself in this radiant embrace, here and now, an amalgamation of existence and awareness, a sanctuary of tranquility. Empowered by this luminous cocoon, permit the words to spill forth, either vocalized or a whispered echo within. Repeat after me. I am deserving of affection. Within me dwells contentment. Might courses through my mind and body. I stand complete and fulfilled in my essence. I wield inherent strength. Beautiful. With this chorus trailing behind, recognize the cornerstone of mental fortitude and lucidity, self-love. Acknowledge the tapestry of human existence interlaced with imperfections. Rather than repelling them, embrace them, harnessing them as catalysts for growth. Embrace the challenges as if welcoming guests, an opportunity for metamorphosis, not evasion. Remember, as you shower yourself with benevolence and ardor, this resonance extends beyond your own sphere, a harmonious ripple radiating outward. An edifice constructed from within to nurture those around you. We transition now to the theater of your mind's eye. Picture yourself atop a pinnacle, surveying the panorama below, the tapestry of life unfurling. Paint your surroundings, be it the glistening river cradled by a verdant vale, snow-kissed summits in every direction, a benevolent sun casting its warmth, a forest swaying in a gentle embrace of zephyrs. Inhale the pristine breath of the mountain heights. Here, a vantage point of transcendence. Your inner resolve resounds, In the face of life's tempests, you stand unyielding, a paragon of strength. Pause. Pause to inhale the air pure and invigorating. A vivid reminder of your ascension. Absorb the sensation, the zenith within. Now, perceive yourself descending, one step at a time, as your consciousness gingerly reacquaints itself with the present. As you descend through these layers of meditation, align your consciousness with each footfall, firm and assured. Should your eyes have journeyed inward, reacquaint yourself with the immediate world, the earth beneath, a steadfast foundation. Through this return, you reel in your senses, aligning them with the rhythm of your breath. If you are so inclined, dive into a deep sense of deep breaths to distill any remnants of uncertainty. Now, hold the beacon of your strength and understanding aloft. As the session draws to a close, I commend your commitment. As your eyes flutter open, rekindle your connection with the external world. Proceed forth. Proceed forth bearing the mantle of greatness in resplendent harmony with your strength and self-love. You are an embodiment of might. My gratitude for embarking on this voyage of self-discovery. If you've enjoyed this meditation, please consider giving it a like. Share it with a friend or a family member and subscribe for more. Until the next time, thank you.